All right, y'all, welcome back. Unit 3, Lesson 5, Part 3 of 4. We're going to jump into ordered pairs and tables as solutions to equations. So we're going to be given an equation, and we want to decide which one of these ordered pairs is going to be a true solution to this equation. This is going to use some substitution, and we're going to go through a couple different here. What you want to know is if I were to graph the line, y equals 2x minus 1. So it goes to the point -1, and it goes up 1, 2 over 1. So your line should look something like this. Let me just make a line really quick. Okay, it should look something like that if you were to graph it. And we want to know which one of these points would be on this line. So what you could do is you could just continually count slope up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1, and see which one of these ordered pairs actually fits on there. Or what you can do is use substitution. We can substitute these ordered pairs, remember ordered pairs are written x, y, into our equation and see which one of these values is true. So let's try that. First one, we have y equals, so -3 equals 2 times x, which is 0, minus 1. So that equals, and we just want to do this side, we want this side to equal -3. Well, 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 equals -1. Does -1 equal -3? It does not. So that is not a solution. Does not work. Try the other one. You want y to be 0, and you want -2 times -3 minus 1 to equal 0. Well, 2 times -3 is -6 minus 1, which is -7, which does not equal 3. Not a solution. You have y is -1, and you want 0 times 2 minus 1. 0 times 2 is 0 minus 1, which equals -1. Does -1 equal -1? It does. That is a solution. The ordered pair 0, -1 is a solution. And then our last one, -1, 0, y is 0, x is -1. 2 times -1 is -2. -2 minus 1 is -3. Does -3 equal -1? It does not. So our only solution is 0, -1, which also happens to be the y-intercept in this case, which we would have noticed right away if we would have just checked there. But that's how you use substitution. I know that you could go through and graph this in Desmos and check to see which point is actually on the line. You could do it that way. But we want to see other ways to solve this as well. And this is our substitution method. Let's try another one. Hey, we have the equation y equals 3x minus 7. And we want to know which one of these ordered pairs is the solution. Well, the first one, y is -5. And we want 3 times x minus 7 to equal that. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Does 5 equal -5? It does not. Not a solution. Let's try our next one. Y is 5 in this case. 3 times -4 minus 7. -12 minus 7, which is -19. Does -19 equal -5? No. Now we have y is -5 again, but this time x is -4. Well, it's the same one here. We said that the same equation here was -19. Does -19 equal -5? Again, no. It should have been +5. Sorry. And our last one here, when y is 5, x is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Does 5 equal 5? Well, yes, it does. that would be our solution to that equation. One of the many solutions. And that's it for part 3. Check back for part 4. Have a great day.